Welcome. In today's video, we're focusing on how to allow audio calls only from verified users on X, formerly known as Twitter. If you want to enhance your privacy and ensure that only authenticated accounts can reach you through calls, this guide is for you. Let's get started with the steps. First, launch the X app on your Android device. This is your starting point for accessing all the settings you need. Next, tap your profile icon. You can find your profile picture or the navigation menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will lead you to your account settings. Once you're in, tap on Settings and Support, and then select Settings and Privacy. This section holds all the customization options for your account. Now tap on Privacy and Safety. Here, you'll find the options related to your account's privacy settings and how you interact with others. Next, look for Direct Messages. This is where you can manage who can send you messages and make calls. Finally, under Allow Audio and Video Calls, select Verified Users. By choosing this option, you're allowing audio calls only from accounts that have been verified, which can help filter out unwanted calls. By following these steps, you can easily ensure that only verified users can contact you through audio calls on X. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.